Dear students, in continuation to the subject Elephant Physiology, body fluids and circulation, in human physiology portion, there are some important terms which need to be defined before the completion of the chapter. The first is artificial pacemaker. What is this artificial pacemaker? Artificial pacemaker. There is a natural pacemaker that is called as sino-auricular node and auricular ventricular node that generates cardiac impulse for the contraction and relaxation of the heart due to the myogenic nature of our heart. This artificial pacemaker, sino-auricular node, may become defective. Whenever there is defective sino-auricular node, it then fails to generate cardiac impulse at the normal rate. The heart becomes shallow and irregular. Tissues receive less blood. This disorder may be corrected by implanting an artificial pacemaker. So, artificial pacemaker is implanted by a surgical treatment in the patient's chest. This instrument stimulates the heart electrically at regular intervals to beat at normal rate. This artificial pacemaker has a short lifespan, which helps the human beings whenever there is a failure of the sino-auricular node. One more term is there, ECG. This is electrocardiogram. A permanent record of the electric events occurring during a cardiac cycle made on a graph paper in a waveform is called electrocardiogram. Whenever we see the ECG of a person who is put in an ECG machine, and we obtain a graph like paper where there is the record of the electric events occurring during a cardiac cycle in the form of a graphic paper. This graphic paper is called as ECG. One more term is there that is called as heart rate. What is heart rate? Human heart beats 72 times per minute. It is a general derivation that no normal human heart beats 72 times per minute in an adult person at rest. This is called the heart rate. It varies in different species. Generally, the smaller animals have higher heart rates than the larger ones. For example, elephant's heart rate is about 25 per minute and that of rabbit is 200 per minute. We see the heart of the elephant beats about 25 times per minute, and that of the rabbit, which runs very fast and shows the physical activity very fast. This means that the heart beats in the rabbit 200 times per minute. So there is difference of heartbeats in different animals. These are the important terms related to the working conditions of the heart. Cardiac output. Cardiac output can be defined. This term is also related with the cardiac cycle. The volume of blood pumped by the left ventricle into the systemic circuit per minute is called as heart output or cardiac output. This is also called as heart output. Heart output can be defined as the volume of blood pumped by the left ventricle into the systemic circuit per minute. This is called as heart output or cardiac output. It depends on two factors, heart rate and stroke value. Then there is one more term which needs to be defined here, that is pulse. The flow of blood from the heart into the arteries is intermittent. The ventricle pumps out blood when it contracts and turns out no blood when it relaxes. Each ventricular systole forces blood into the arteries, which already contain some blood. The arteries expand to receive the incoming blood. During diastole, the elastic recoil of the expanded part of the artery pushes the blood into the next part of the artery, which in turn distends. The elasticity of the arteries changes the intermittent flow of blood into a steady flow by the time the blood reaches the capillaries. Steady flow of blood through the capillaries allows the exchange of materials to occur continuously. A wave of distension passes along the arteries following each ventricular systole. This wave of distension is called as arterial pulse. The pulse frequency and heart rate are identical, being 72 times per minute in a normal adult man. This is all about the definitions and explanations of some important terms. There are some heart sounds related to the working and physiology of the heart. First heart sound, second heart sound. Heart emits two sounds, first and second, during each heartbeat. This first heart sound, that is likened to the word love, spoken very softly, it is low pitched, not very loud, and of long duration. It is produced by the simultaneous tight closure of the tricuspid and bicuspid valves at the start of ventricular contraction. The second heartbeat, likened to the word dup. This forms the love dup. This dup is highly pitched, louder, sharper, and of short duration. It is produced by the closure of semilunar valves at the start of ventricular relaxation. It lasts for about 0.1 second. It lasts for about 0.1 seconds, and its principal frequency is 5 cycles per second. This is all about the definitions of important terms related to the physiology of heart. That's all for today.